here we have an excellently restored, with period competition history, 1932 MG J2 Midget. It was supplied new to the Scottish Motor Traction Company and successfully competed from new by employee Miss Marjorie Dickson. Reputedly the first J2 registered in Scotland, it's been in current ownership since 1986 when it was purchased as a full restoration project. A notably nice example, which has been fully restored over approximately 20 years by the vendor, it's offered with an excellent and interesting history file. One of just 2,083 J2s manufactured.